Our chosen manufacturing company is the Monde Corporation, located in Carmelre Industrial Park, Calamba City, Laguna. It has branches in Rizal, Makati, Mandaluyong, and Pampanga. Its subsidiaries are Nissin and Lucky Me. The Chief Executive Officer and Executive Vice President of MY Corporation is Henry Sosanto. Monde Corporation is a pioneering giant in the cracker industry in the Philippines. It started its business in 1935 with the leading iconic brands such as Skyflakes and Fita. Monde continues the tradition of creating delectable and high-quality biscuits which are known and loved by Filipinos through many generations. Monde high standards for quality and use of select ingredients which put a premium on freshly baked goodness have earned numerous awards for its brands as well as the distinction of being a consistent favorite amongst various international markets. Subsequent to the sales of shares, MY changed its name to Monde Corporation. Several cookies and snack products were also launched, namely eggnog cookies, breadsticks, and bingo cookie sandwich. In 2005, Voice Combo Cracker became the first cracker and wafer combo biscuit in the Philippines. In 2014, Voice Pops was also launched as the first cream sandwich with popping candies. The vision of Monde Corporation is be the leading player in the biscuit and cracker industry, recognized in local and international markets for superior quality products at premium value and within the reach of customers. For Monde Corporation's products, it includes Skyflakes with a variety of flavors such as garlic and onion, oat fiber, and fit flaxseed. It also includes Fita crackers, Grahams, and Danish-style butter cookies.
For the list of products offered by Monde, it includes Skyflakes with flavors of onion and garlic, fit oat fiber, fit flaxseed, Fita crackers with flavors of bacon and tuna, Graham honey singles, Graham choco singles, crushed Grahams, Danish-style butter cookies, windmill choco vanilla wafer, windmill choco wafer, windmill vanilla wafer, Happy Time Assortment Junior, cream crackers, and healthy soda crackers. Universal Robina Corporation, or URC, is one of the largest branded consumer food and beverage product companies in the Philippines and has a significant and growing presence in the ASEAN markets. URC is among the Philippines' pioneers in the industry. It has been in the operations for over 50 years since John Rockungway Jr. established Universal Corn Products Incorporated, a cornstarch manufacturing plant in Pasig in 1954. For Monde's second competitor, the Republic Biscuit Corporation, or Rebisco, is a recognized pioneer in the biscuit industry, which has positioned itself to be one of the dominant players in the Philippine snack food industry with a growing global presence. By maintaining quality at par with nothing but the best in the industry, Rebisco stays true to the commitment of offering best value, innovative, and proudly Filipino-made snacks to consumers locally and globally, making deliciously delightful moments possible every day. Monde's product line includes Skyflakes, Graham crackers, and Fita.
Every company follows a specific process to achieve high-quality products. For Monde Corporation's process flowchart, it includes, first is the pre-mixing of the ingredients, and then it will proceed to the air layer for the mixing.
After the mixing, the dough is rolled, cut, and stamped to form the right shape of the biscuit. Then the formed dough will go in the oven with the right baking temperature and time. Once done, crackers are cooled, filled in cartons, and then proceed to shipment. Their production volume depends on the quantity of the item per pack. For their baking schedule, they bake their products depending on the given demand from the logistics. Employees are set to specific shifting schedules. For Monde Corporation supply chain, different supplies are set for different departments. This is done for efficiency and effectivity of their production and of the whole company.
Issues and concerns in the operation may arise, and failure in machinery is the most common issue.
For the strategic planning, we came up with a revised vision, which is to serve customers with top-of-the-line and affordable fresh products that are recognized locally and internationally. Our number one priority is to be the leading competitor in the cracker and biscuit industry by making diversity and passion. We will also introduce new products to compete with Universal Rubina and Rebisco. Our new product lines are 3-layered choco caramel bars and healthy baby biscuits. Additional two stages were added in the process flowchart. Preparation of ingredient is the new first stage which came before the pre-mixing. The second stage which is fermenting is added between the mixing and forming stage. We have made a newly revised value chain of Monde MY San in which it consists of 7 stages. The value chain started with the purchase of raw materials which is transferred by the inbound logistics to the warehouse for storage. It is followed by the production of biscuits, then transferred by outbound logistics for marketing and distribution to customers.
Since the quality of the product are out of control of the Monde once they are distributed to wholesalers and retailers, the only possible recommendation for quality control is for them to orient and train the personnel belonging to the distribution sector. It would be advisable for them to provide a pamphlet or a brochure showing the guidelines on how to properly deliver, distribute, and store the Monde's product to maintain its quality and freshness until it reaches the consumers. For the machine maintenance, in order to cope with this problem, our respective interviewees already clarified that they conduct a monthly preventive maintenance by their engineers in order to prevent frequent interruptions during their daily operations and production. For additional recommendation, it may be possible if their machineries would have specific hours of rest time during the day. It may contribute in the prevention of further failures of machineries faced by Monde. In order to achieve the recommendations relative to the issues, concerns, and problems to be encountered by the company, Monde MY San should provide a fraction of its monthly profit for machinery maintenance and quality control as anticipation of future difficulties. Monde MY San could set aside up to 10% of its monthly profit to meet the future expenses in correcting foreseen issues. Risk-free businesses do not exist. In a manufacturing company like Monde MY San, control measures to avoid future difficulties can include risk analysis, extensive quality control, 100% sanitation of the company, and equipping quality machineries. Risk analysis starts with studying historical patterns, expert opinions, and other external sources available, then proceeding to identifying positive and negative consequences that could ensue. Moreover, every existing company has its own way of ensuring and retaining its quality products or services. Monde MY San can exert much more effort and time in conducting its quality check to ensure that issues and concerns will not arise frequently. Monde MY San has also proven that it has 100% sanitation inside its plant by having very strict sanitation measures that will affirm not just the quality of the product, but also the trust developed by its loyal customers for their undoubtedly cleanliness and order. Lastly, to avoid frequent problems with their machineries, high-quality machines should be present in the production of their goods. This will also provide higher efficiency for Monde MY San.